Ellen and Jillian, this is Deb Miller. I just was going to do a little screencast of kind of like what I was thinking for organization. So let me just run through it with you. So what I did was laid out a course, Miss Miller and Miss King's kindergarten. So the students would go into here, and when they came into here, they would see folders for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I put Bitmojis, but you could put anything there. But I think dropping a picture there will help the kids know which one to pick. I also tried to do rainbow colors to kind of keep things in order. Um, so let's say we go into Monday's folder. Then it would be broken down into morning work and afternoon work. And there's a couple different things you could do here. So I'm thinking with morning work, what they could do is you could go in, and actually made a Bitmoji classroom. Now I did this when I was for some reason thinking that our groups, our differentiated groups, were going to be in the morning for reading, and they're not. So this part of it would have to be reworked a little bit just to fit the schedule as it is. But my thinking is they could come into the classroom, and we would obviously have to teach them this, but click on the story. If you click on Miss Bindergarten here, that takes you to a link of a read aloud of Miss Bindergarten. So they could listen to the story. They could also come here if you wanted to assign, boom cards, or you wanted to assign, this is where you wanted to assign your Walpole video to listen to. They could join the class chat, so they could actually come here and get the Zoom link that could take them right into the Zoom, or click on the teacher to do the same thing for small group time. And they could even come here and click on the pencil cup to get their handwriting lesson. So that was just kind of like my thinking. I was thinking about breaking it down more pictorially, so that the kids could find what they need. And obviously, the only thing that would change here would be the book. The storybook would change from week to week. And obviously, your handwriting lesson would differ, although the icon would stay the same. So let's go back, and the other way that you could certainly do it is to just take Jillian's folders and drop them right in. So I didn't do that yet because I was trying to crank this out in a hurry. But you could definitely take the folders that Jillian had made, and you could just put them right in here into the afternoon work and have the kids go through. I was even thinking you could number the folders if you were going to use the folder system, so that the kids knew, do number 1 first, then do number 2. But just trying to keep it like really simple and mainstreamed. I think the less that they jump around courses, the better. I mean, for us, it's easy to come up here and click courses, but on an iPad, you get those 3 lines up here in the corner, and you got to jump to that and then navigate down to the word courses. I just think it would be really hard for them to do that. So if we can use more pictures and symbols, that was kind of my thinking. I hope that makes sense. If it does, great. If it didn't, just give me a call or email me with any questions that you might have. Thanks for thinking about this.